Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a really simple interaction in ProtoPie which looks something like this. We can move our first message in mailbox to the left, and we have option to leave it and nothing happens, but also we can just archive it, and as you can see the icon is a little bigger, so it tells our user that after pulling up our finger from the screen, it will archive this message. So if you're interested in creating something like this, I hope you enjoyed this video and learn actually from it. Yeah, you can follow along. I will leave like Figma file in the description, and yeah, we can move on. Okay, if you're not familiar with Figma and ProtoPie plugin, I will quickly show you how to use it. You just have to like look up the ProtoPie plugin from here and select the frame. As I told, I will just leave it in the description of this video so we can follow along. Yeah, we will just select ProtoPie, wait a second and export it. Make sure that ProtoPie is like open, and yeah, it's right here. So it's that simple, and actually we can just start creating our interaction. Let's start with this first message here. So make sure to select it, select this frame, and here we have option to add a trigger. So our trigger will be drag. So if we drag this first message, we want to move it. Here we have direction, and we only want the horizontal one. Let's preview that. Okay, it works, but nothing happens like behind it. So we want to change it. Okay, let's go back to the Figma file, and here we have those two frames. Select it and export it. Something happened with the green background, but it's okay. Let's copy the icon here, paste it here, and we still have this. And now let's delete it and create a shape which is rectangle, and make sure that it's the same size as the first message. Let's change the color to something like this. Yeah. Right now it will be behind our Jenny mail message, and yeah, I think it's alright. Yeah, let's preview how it looks. So if we move around our first mail from list, there is a green background, so everything looks fine. And what we need is to actually add our archive icon somewhere in between. Let's preview now. Yeah, it looks okay. So if we drag this first message, we move it and nothing happens, but we want to actually scale up our icon behind. So it's right there. We have our range option. Range option works kind of like if we move our first mail message horizontally, which is this X option, and it will move past, we will check, move like something in in here, like -80. This X option, -80. We want to scale up the icon behind it. So let's select that. Here we have like this option which is -80. So if our first mail message will move past -80 horizontally, we want to scale our icon, which is here, our archive icon. Right now it is like 60x60, so we want to change it a little to 24, and let's preview it. Oh, let's reset. And yeah, it moves, but we still have to create this ability to move back if we don't want to delete or archive this first mail message. Let's create another trigger, which is also range. And this time we'll, as you can see here, we have like this arrow to the left, which means if we move this first message to the left, and it will be minus or equal 80 X position, we will scale our icon to 24 width and height. Now we want to like create another option which will focus on this also Gen frame. And now if our X position is after -80 to the right, we want to scale it down to like previous position or size, which is 16 width and height. Let's not actually preview it. Let's change this frame, which is Jenny, to archive icon, because we want to scale down only the icon and not the first message. Okay, it's scaled up, and now if we want to move back, it should scale down. And yeah, it looks great. Let's add another trigger, which is touch up. Here we have to select our Jenny frame, and now we want to select condition. Let's select less than or equal -80 X position. We want to change opacity of our Jenny frame to 0, which means it will disappear. Okay, let's check it. Okay, it's less than or equal to -80, and it disappeared. We will also want to change opacity from our background and archive icon. So let's add it. Opacity background to 0 and opacity archive icon to 0. Preview, we move past -80, and yeah, everything disappeared. Now let's create another condition, this time greater than -80, and add reset. Let's preview it. We move past -80. Okay, it's okay, we have to change this Jenny frame. Okay, now it works. Okay. All we have to do now is to move every other message after archiving our first to the top. So let's select every other message and group it. Let's change name to rest. And now if we move past -80, which means if we want to archive our first message, we also want to move rest layer to let's check it, to 0. This one, 0. Okay, move this option Y 0 and preview it. Okay, we have to like check this archive icon. Okay, it's rest. Yeah, I think it works. I hope it helped and you learned actually from it. We only focused on this right side, so there's still this left side, which you can see nothing happens. But I think it's great exercise for you to practice everything that you learned. If you will struggle with it, let me know if in the comments and I will respond to it. I hope you learned something in this tutorial, and yeah, if I helped, let me know by giving some kind of feedback. If you enjoy this kind of tutorial, leave a subscribe, and thank you for watching, and yeah, I hope I helped. See you guys soon.